Hi guys, what's up? It's been a while. So, because I've been cooped up at home, I decided that I'm gonna start doing YouTube videos again because Miss Rona decided to sweep the nation and keep everyone at home, so here we are. Anyway, today I have decided to make some coffee cupcakes. Now, I don't actually have a recipe. I'm gonna look for a recipe and then I'll be right back. Hi, how are ya? I'm back. So, I got an easy recipe for cupcakes from the BBC. So, you need softened butter, oh shit, I don't have weighing scales. We're just gonna have to guess. Oh no, what am I gonna do? That's fine. I guess I could guesstimate. Do I have a measuring thing? Fudgesicles. Okay, well, we'll have to guess, you know? So we need butter, caster sugar, self-raising flour, some eggs, vanilla extract, yeah, and some cupcake things. And also, I decided that I'm gonna make them coffee flavored, so I don't know how that's gonna work, but we're gonna try and do that somehow. Let's get started. Heat the oven, blah blah blah. Okay. What? Already? Okay. Okay, so we're gonna set this to 180 degrees. And then we're gonna get a bowl. We're not gonna get a bowl, we're gonna get a bowl. To the bowl, we're gonna add 110 grams of softened butter. Well, I don't know. I don't have a scale, so let's see how many grams in a cup? So a cup is about 128 grams. So let's just do equal amounts. Let's do that. Does it say at the bottom of the mug how much it is? No? Oh my goodness, but mugs are different sizes, so you know what? We're just gonna do this. Okay, so a cup of softened butter. What does softened butter mean? Holy sh**. Is that really how much butter we need? It's like my whole cup. Surely that's not right. I don't know what softened butter means, so I'm gonna put that in the microwave. I softened the butter, I hope that's what it means. That's gonna go in the bowl with that much caster sugar. What? That is a lot of sugar. Jesus. And we're gonna whisk that up. And it says use an electric whisk, but we're not organised here, so we're just gonna whisk it with a fork until pale and fluffy. Then whisk in 2 large eggs. So I've whisked it to that. Fluffy enough. And we're gonna put in the eggs. I wonder if I could get away with just 1 egg. Okay, the eggs whisked in. Add half a tablespoon of vanilla extract. Is a tablespoon the big one? Eggs, caster sugar, butter, and vanilla extract is all in there. And 110 grams of self-raising flour. So half that cup, which is what we did for everything else. That seems pretty straightforward. then I guess we whisk that shit up. It's not looking too bad, you know. So because I want to make them coffee flavored, I'm gonna put some boiling water into here and mix the coffee till it's all diluted, and then put it into this mixture there. So we'll see what happens. I'm gonna put like 4 teaspoons of coffee into that water. So I'm just gonna pour that into there. Should have probably put the coffee into the melted butter, right? I'm gonna put a little bit more, what is this? More flour in. I mean, it's not looking too bad. So I guess now we fill up the cupcakes, and I'm gonna put a little blob of Nutella between in the cupcake, so that when you bite into it, it's like chocolatey. So let's do that. So it didn't go completely to plan, but I mean, they look good enough. I'm gonna pop them in the oven and see what happens. So I just took them out the oven after 15 minutes and they look like I mean, they're okay. I'm gonna, basically, what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna break up some dairy milk and some Milky Bar and put them on top of the cupcakes till they melt. And then I'm gonna put them back in the microwave. I'm not putting them in the microwave. I'm gonna put them in the oven for like 3 minutes more, or maybe 5 minutes. Ah! Jesus. Okay, so now that they're done, I'm gonna take them out and spread the chocolate nice and evenly. Why does it smell like burning? Oh my god, they didn't melt. Well, I'm gonna let them cool down and then see if they're edible. So, wish me luck. So this is how the cupcakes looked after they came out of the oven, and I mean, I kind of snapped. I know the chocolate looks like it's been sweating, but that's just because I put it in the oven. In hindsight, I should have probably put it in the microwave, but you know what? It is what it is. I let them cool down for like 15 minutes. They're still kind of warm. So I'm gonna try it now and see if they taste like or if they taste nice. They're quite soft. I mean, they're not terrible. They are not terrible, but they are very, very soft. They're delicious. I know it's going to be hard, but can we please just ignore that piece of white chocolate that is stuck on my lip that I clearly did not see while I was filming this? So, you know, we can't be beautiful all the time, guys. Especially with that Nutella. Well done, Zoheb. Well, I hope you liked that video, and if you're at home on quarantine with nothing to do, maybe follow this recipe and see how they turn out for you. I hope it was very enlightening in this. Enlightening. Shut up, Zoheb. Alright, see you later.